Hello learners. In this topic, let's discuss crop and seed production further. Contents. We have Rabi crops, meaning importance, soil and climate requirements. Agronomic practices with emphasis on weed and their management. First we have Rabi crops. Those that are sown around the retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon season, which begins by October, are called Rabi or winter crops. The harvest for these crops happens typically during April and May during the summer season. Importance of Rabi crops. The Rabi crops are sown around mid-November, preferably after the monsoon rains are over. Harvesting begins in April or May. The crops are grown either with the rainwater that has pre-collected into the ground or using irrigation. Soil and climate requirements. The wheat plants require medium 50 to 60% humidity for their growth. It can be grown in regions where rainfall varies from 25 to 150 centimeters per year, and the time of maturity crop requires less humidity and land warm season. At the time of maturity, the plant requires 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. Agronomic practices. These are practices that farmers incorporate to improve soil quality, enhance water usage. Agronomic practices focus on better fertilizer management as a way of improving agricultural practices. Benefits of agronomic practices. Proper usage of agronomic practices decreases input costs in producing farm products. Decreasing water usage and proper use of fertilizer also contribute to maintaining the quality of land. Agronomic practices with emphasis on weeds. In many agricultural systems around the world, competition from weeds is one of the major factors reducing crop yield and farmers' income. Methods include hand cultivation with hoes, powered cultivation with cultivators, and smothering with mulch. How to implement an effective weed management strategy? Crop rotation, differentiation of crops grown over time on the same field, is a well-known primary means of preventing weed control. Cover crops. Inclusion of cover crops in a rotation in the time frame between two cash crops is another good preventing methods to be used in a weed management strategy.